The Cucino 16-inch magnetic knife holder black offers a sophisticated and functional solution for modern kitchen organization. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a sleek dark finish, this tool provides a secure and accessible way to store your cutlery while saving valuable drawer and counter space. Its minimalist design ensures that it complements a variety of interior styles, ranging from industrial to contemporary, making it a versatile addition to any home culinary setup. Installation is remarkably simple and requires no power tools or permanent alterations to your walls. The Cucino 16-inch magnetic knife holder black comes equipped with specialized heavy-duty self-adhesive tape, allowing for a firm mount on smooth surfaces like tile, glass, or metal. This no-drill approach is particularly beneficial for renters or those who prefer to keep their backsplash pristine. The industrial-grade adhesive is designed to withstand the weight of multiple heavy kitchen tools without slipping or loosening over time. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the strip features a continuous magnetic field that runs the entire length of the bar to ensure every blade stays firmly in place. This Cucino 16-inch magnetic knife holder black is engineered with extra strong magnets that can easily support large chef knives, cleavers, and even metal kitchen shears. By keeping your blades visible and organized, it reduces the risk of accidental cuts during searches and helps maintain the sharpness of your edges by preventing them from rubbing against other utensils in a cluttered drawer. Pros: strong magnetic hold, high-quality stainless steel, modern and attractive design, saves valuable counter space, easy to install, includes mounting hardware, solid and sturdy construction, holds heavy knives securely, clean and classic look, versatile mounting options, clear installation instructions, excellent value for money, functional and space-saving, high weight capacity. Cons: adhesive tape fails on tile walls, finger pinching risk during installation, adhesive requires long curing time, lack of responsive customer support, mounting screws are more reliable, high price compared to similar items, adhesive strip detaches from metal plate. Features: magnetic knife holder 16-inch length, no drilling required, self-adhesive tape included. Extra strong magnets, awarded magnetic strip, stainless steel construction. The Cucino 16-inch magnetic knife holder black offers a sophisticated and functional solution for modern kitchen organization. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a sleek dark finish, this tool provides a secure and accessible way to store your cutlery while saving valuable drawer and counter space. Its minimalist design ensures that it complements a variety of interior styles, ranging from industrial to contemporary, making it a versatile addition to any home culinary setup. The Cucino magnetic knife holder offers a high-quality stainless steel construction with a modern black finish that effectively saves counter space and securely holds heavy knives thanks to its extra strong magnetic pull. While users appreciate its solid construction, attractive design, and the inclusion of versatile mounting hardware, the product faces significant drawbacks regarding its self-adhesive option, which can fail on tile surfaces or detach from the metal plate. Despite its functional benefits and clear instructions, potential buyers should be wary of the high price point, the long curing time required for the adhesive, the risk of finger pinching during setup, and reported issues with unresponsive customer support.